Hi there, my name is Alida and I'm a qualified English teacher from South Africa. I have a degree in English and a certificate in education. I also have a TEFL certificate. I have more than 8 years English teaching experience from South Africa to South Korea and online, um, from primary school through to adults. My teaching style is very relaxed, and I love bringing humor into the class. My lessons include grammar, reading, listening, vocabulary, and free speaking time. But we can also tailor the lessons to your needs. I also use games, photos, videos, role plays, props to make my lessons as lively and interactive as possible to help with memorization. What I can bring to the class is my experience of teaching English, but also my rich cultural background here in South Africa and all the extremely different schools that I have already taught at. I'm a mother of a little toddler and two very lazy basset hounds. And my interests include reading about nutrition and health and psychology, but most of all, meeting people from different backgrounds and getting to know their world and everything about them. So, if you like what you heard, contact me because I would love to get to know you. Until then, goodbye.